here at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library, and I'm going to do a interesting and probably the first time you've ever heard of this spring library kitchen video for you. And that is because I'm going to be roasting some hosta shoots. So did you even know that hostas are edible? They are. So they are in the asparagus family, and they're going to have a very similar taste. If you aren't familiar with hostas, you've probably seen them here in Ohio. They're very popular perennial, and they look like this. Sometimes the leaves are a different color, sometimes they're one solid color, but hostas are hostas. They're pretty iconic, good shade plants. So what you need to do is catch them when they are still shoots. So I picked these this morning. They're still all curled up. And then you're going to give them a good wash. So hostas actually come from Japan, and the shoots are called urui. They've been foraged there for over a millennia, and so we're going to do it a little differently. In Japan, they are often wrapped in pork belly, which I'm sure is very good, and I have wrapped hostas in bacon before, but today we are going to just roast them. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have my hostas in a baking dish. You could put them on a baking sheet as well. And I'm just going to treat them like I would asparagus because, like I said, they have a similar taste. And I enjoy just having asparagus roasted with some butter and then some onion powder and garlic powder and salt and pepper. So I'm just going to put in a couple pats of butter. And I've got some garlic. You could even use chives because those are in season right now. I've got some onion powder. And we've got some salt. Nice sprinkle. And then, of course, some pepper. The pepper pours very quickly, so I am doing it from hand. All right. And, you know, maybe a little heat. I've got some cayenne, and we'll just do like a little pinch of that. All right, so that is as easy as it gets. We're going to roast these for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's get started. Yay! They are in the oven now, so we're going to wait about 15 minutes while they roast. And again, I did put them in at about 400. Just like asparagus, if they're really thin, we might want to check them ahead of time in case they start looking shriveled. But these were all pretty uniform, and so I will be back when these are done, and I'm going to show you what they look like, and we'll do a taste test together. All right, our 15 minutes are up. I'm going to pull them out of the oven, and I'm going to show you all what they look like. All right, so you can see, I actually think this is where they look the most like asparagus because they wrinkle a little bit like asparagus does. And we're just going to do a quick little, I'm going to blow on them, quick little taste test. Very good. All right. If you do try this, a few rules. 1, don't steal your neighbor's hostas. 2, make sure they are hostas. So lilies of the valley also have kind of a curled up shape like this too. And lilies of the valley will make you very sick, possibly even kill you. I think they look really different, but you know, if you're looking at them from kind of far away, you might think that that's a hosta, but they're not. So just definitely make sure. And otherwise, enjoy your roasted hostas. Thank you for joining me for this library kitchen.